All right, so this week on Run Run Deals, I saw this amazing set for my daughter. She is a girly tomboy, but she likes the finer things in life on the girly side. She loves purses, makeup, and dresses. So, guess what I saw? Yay! The Beauty Fashion Girl set. Check us out.
Yay! I like it.
So what I like about this product is that it's no mess. Everything's fake. A lot of girl products right now, they're real and real messy. Right here, don't have to worry about it. Fake lipstick. Fake fingernail polish. Check us out. I love that it has this purse carrier. And guess what? Also a strap to go on the purse. And I like it because she can store all these items in there so she won't lose them. Pretty cool. All right, you guys. You might be wondering to yourself, how much does this cost? Well, on Amazon, it was $23.99. But with Run Run Deals, I got it for $13.10. Yes, I said it. $10 off. $10 off. I love it. Okay, you all. I enjoyed this deal and so did my daughter as well. Remember, Run Run Deals have coupons from 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, even 90% off. Make sure you put in the code before you check it out. See you guys.